What's up guys, how's it going? So, deer season has finally arrived. In this video we're going to show you how we did on opening day. We went to Williams' place up in East Alabama, and we wanted to at least kind of get our feet wet a little bit and get out there and get into the woods. So basically I just picked a spot and got into some action. So let's check it out. This ain't really about kills. This is about the work that it takes to get to the kill. Get out of the shooting house, and you gotta get into the woods.
Yeah, that's worth it right there. Growing big around here. We're back out here at Williams' place, and it is opening day of bow season in Alabama. 2022 season has officially started. I'm gonna try and get into this one little spot here, kind of off the edge of this point, and it's just kind of overlooking a little creek bottom. There's some thick cover on the other side of it, so I feel like if there's anywhere close by that seems like the deer would be bedding, seems like it would be that area. And we've got a little bit of a storm front that's coming through probably tonight, so we've already seen one doe on the way over here, and so I feel like they're already starting to move a little bit. So I'm gonna try and hustle up and get set up over here. We'll see what happens.
So at this point, William had just dropped me off, and he was going to go and help out the other guys, try and put out some corn. And where I was at, I could hear them riding around on the side-by-side. It seemed like they would be getting pretty close to me every now and then, so I'd try and just kind of push a little bit deeper into the woods, because I knew I wasn't going to have much luck if I was anywhere near the field. So finally got into an area, found a good spot, and then I was sitting there probably, I don't know, 5 minutes, and all of a sudden I hear footsteps. And I didn't even have the crossbow cocked. I had nothing ready. So at this point it was just like, I knew it was only a matter of time before I was about to start seeing the deer. So I just had to kind of wait and basically freeze where I was at and just see what happened.
these little faint trails all kind of up and down through here. And I had just gotten set up in this spot and didn't have the crossbow ready or anything. I mean, it's all still wrapped up. I got the shooting sticks wrapped up. Everything's put away. And it was like all of a sudden I started hearing footsteps. Well, it turned out to be not just one doe, but three. That one doe blew at me probably 30 to 40 times. And I couldn't even see where she was at. But like, she sat there and blew over and over and over again. And then she finally just made her way out into the open where I could see her. And then I found out it was three. And so they never did quite get bothered by me. They just kind of fed off. But I don't know what that one doe saw. I mean, she was looking up the other hill, the other side of the drainage. So I don't know what exactly she saw. I've been waiting for something to pop out, but I'm not seeing anything. So we'll see if anything else comes out. So we had a heck of a time for opening day, and I honestly was not even expecting to see a deer where I was at. Basically just kind of called an audible at the last minute and decided I was going to try and go to a different spot. So found out where the water was and just kind of used the topography and the oaks in the area, and managed to find the deer. So it's definitely a good spot. Seems like I'm probably going to go back there at some point later in the season. So hopefully I can actually get a doe next time. But I think that's going to do it for this video. We're going to try and keep everything rolling this season, and we've got about a month until we head up to Kentucky for rifle season, so definitely stay tuned for that. And we're going to try and keep everything going. So if you haven't already, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one.
Wheeler down and it's straight up in there.
Yeah.
I was like, oh my gosh. And like we were going downhill, and he had a little club car.
Yeah.
Hardly had any brakes on it. And he started going uphill. I was like, let me get out. I'll let you go up this thing. I mean, it's like this side of the hill right here.
Yeah.
Like, just going up in a little rinky dink. I was like, look. And he turned out to be okay, but y'all are nuts. If it's wet, I couldn't imagine. I don't hunt over there because if I'd have dragged a deer out, I'd die before I ever got it out.